to behind her. She can't.
Go ahead, go.
She can't see what you're. All right, come up to the bar. Okay, spread your legs just a little bit.
There you go.
There you go. Okay. Now bend down. One that goes under. Right there. Come on. One. Good job. Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on. Two. There you go. Come on. Three. Keep your head up. Keep your head up. Okay. Come on. Keep going. Four. There you go. Head up. Five. Good. Come on. Keep that head up. Okay. Come on. Six. Stop moving. Come on. A couple more. Seven. Good. Come on. Three more. Eight. Head up. Head up. Nine. Okay. One more. One more for Sophia, and you're done. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Whoop. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Take your time. Get it set. Stop trying to do weird things. Keep your head up. And 10. All right. Down. Awesome. Awesome. That was much better, though. You did at least 3.